here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my May update for ColourPan. This was a project created by me last year, and this year it is a Fantastic Ladies collab. So all the information is linked down below if you want to sign up through the Fantastic Ladies you can, or you can just do it on your own by using the hashtag. Be sure to tag me over on Instagram and here as well. It is 3 to 6 products rolling. We started January 18th, 2023, and we're going through December 18th, 2023. So I made it an 11-month project to give us some rest, rest around the holidays. And I had a couple of things that rolled out last update and one thing that rolled in. So we're going to talk about the thing that's been in here the longest, and then I'm going to talk about the roll-ins. So let's start with the thing that's been in here the longest, and that's this. This is the More is More blush stick. As of last update, I've used this 53 times. I've used it 4 more times for a total of 57. My goal is to finish it. I can't make a new mark, but there's not much left on the top. I think what I'll do is I will weigh this, like when I'm ready to depot it, I will weigh this and then weigh how much it is after I take everything out. So we'll know, how much product was actually in this. But yeah, it's a really pretty blush stick. They don't make this exact color anymore, but they make tons of blushes kind of in this pinky goldy shifty color. It's really, really pretty. I really enjoy it. Sorry, I've got some staining from eyeshadows. So yeah. Next, I've been working on my Pretty Fresh concealer, and I mentioned last update that I thought it would be finished by now. So at the last update, I'd used it 73 times. I used it 6 more times to finish it for a total of 79. Wait. These one. I was like, wait a minute. So this is the new one, which is light. Oof, it's light. This is in Fair 25W, Fair 15W. Oh, to be able to see. Oh, Fair 05W. So this is hella light, and that's what that looks like. And then this is what this looked like. I pulled out the stopper. I cleaned it out. I did all the things. So we're going from this to that. So this is definitely the right color for me. This is Fair 20W. This will be a repurchase. I really, really loved this concealer. So the new one is coming in to finish. It'll probably take me the rest of the year if I had anything to say about it, or if I have to guess. I guess it's the words I'm looking for. So yeah. And then last but not least, I brought in one of their heart blushes. This is Forever Yours. Forever. Oh, that's young. I brought this in for 45 uses. So far, I've used it 2 times. This is a really pretty blush, but it's very, very vibrant. So I haven't been getting a whole lot of use out of it, but I have used it a couple of times. So the only thing staying, or these 3 are staying, of course, in the... that one concealer is rolling out. So I'm going to bring in 6 products. I'm going to be working on 9. But I did a thing on my birthday, around my birthday. I actually picked up 7 blushes, but one of them is going away because it is not the same color that it looked like. This is Virtual Reality. And online, I think it looked a bit more pink, but it's orange. Okay, so I picked up some Super Shock Cheeks, and I only picked them up. Number 1, Colourpop had everything Disney on sale, and you guys know I said I wanted this one from Snow White, so I picked it up. And then whatever else they had on sale are the ones I picked up. So I picked up 2 highlighters. This is from the It's a Small World collection. This is Jubilant Chorus. It's one of those kind of like marbled. Same really nice Super Shock Cheek formula. I can't escape this formula. I love it so very much. There is glitter in it. it's got little purple glitters in it. So this will either be an inner corner highlight or I'll see how it plays on the cheek. But this is the first shade. The second shade from that is Whimsical Ride. And this again is also one of those marbled shades. A bit more rosy. I don't think this will work as a highlighter. We'll have to see what happens, but it's very coppery. I think that would be beautiful on darker skin. Again, this is another one that I had issues with online. I thought it was a bit lighter than what it is, but there you go. I did pick up another blush in that virtual reality. This is a Digital Baddie. This is a matte blush. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's kind of like, it's not the bubblegum pink that everybody is so excited about right now, which I don't know. I have thoughts. I have thoughts on that. So this is Digital Baddie. Really pretty. Then the other one is Jump Turn, and this is a pearlized one, and this is purple. And if you've been with me a while, you know that I kind of struggle with this color. I've been on the hunt for a really pretty purple blush that won't make me look like I'm bruised or like dying. So we'll give it a try. I think this will blend out really beautifully. It's got a hint of a sheen because it is pearlized, but that's it. And then the last two are from the Snow White collection. I hated that the next one was Alice, but I'm not an Alice fan. Even though I did do Allie's project. Okay, so the one that I was dying for is I Wish I Wish. Oh my gosh, this is a Super Shock blush, and it says it's pearlized. It's so pretty. It's so flippin' pretty. It reminds me a little bit of Chiffon. Let me pull that out. Okay, so here, no, it's not the same. It's not the same. Here's Chiffon, which is way more orange and kind of metallic. And then this is I Wish I Wish. So not quite the same. Oh yeah, no, definitely not the same. So I got Chiffon last year when this project started last year because several of you had put that in to pan. And I was like, what is that beautifulness that I see in front of my eyes? And that is, it's everything I wanted it to be. And I cannot wait to wear this topped on that More is More because I think they're going to be beautiful. I cannot escape the Super Shock cheek. If I had to rate, maybe I'll do a ranking video of ColourPop's products. That would rank in the top 5, maybe even in the top 3. It's a beautiful formula. And I've mentioned before, I don't understand how the cheek formula can stay nice and creamy and their eyeshadows just dry out to crust, to dust. So anyway, last but not least is Fair Enough. And again, this is from ColourPop. Snow White. So this one is a bit deeper, but still just as pretty. So those are the ones that are coming in. Let's talk about the eyeshadows because I did bring in the eyeshadows. I said I was going to rotate through all the palettes and I would come back and let you know what I thought. Spoiler alert, I didn't. I didn't. They've been sitting right here on my desk since that last update and I've only touched one, and that's this one. And I used this shade right here and it's beautiful. I talked about it in Paint Those Eyeshadows. I'd done a green look and the green I put down I didn't like. So I topped it with this and then an NBA shade and it turned out gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. So I'm going to leave these 3 palettes in. So we have Meant to Be. I have the Strawberry Shake. One of the pans is in my Beauty A to Z. And then the Limelight. So I am going to try to do these No Pan Left Behind. I think I tried to play with then, nope, I used this shade right here as a matte, and it's one of those with shimmer, which I don't love. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you're doing this project and you're not on social media, feel free to leave how you're doing in the description, or excuse me, in the comments down below. Again, I will have all the information in the description box. It's not too late to join us. We still have, what, 6 months left. If you're on Instagram, be sure to tag me at Misty Pans and use the hashtag, because I follow that hashtag so I can see. I am trying to at least like and comment when I can. So yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I've rarely been on Instagram this week at all. And if I am on Instagram, it's for cat videos. Just, it's a stressful couple of weeks. So yeah, anyway, love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.